Alright, so this ain't nothing new, but my mom was driving her car and it said it was acting up even worse. The transmission wasn't shifting out of first. This is the wrong set of keys. Whoops. Give me a second. Alright, here we go. Ooh, that's not a good sound. Liquidy sounds. Ooh wee, let me look underneath the car. I can hear liquid flowing. Sounds like maybe transmission related. I don't see anything leaking. Yeah, when I revved up the engine, it sounded like some type of kind of sound. That's not good. Let me see something. Alright, got my seatbelt on. Put it in reverse. Oh, shift kind of funky. Ooh, yeah, no way. Oh, goodness. You hear all them groans and it's like stuttering. It's like ee. It's like it's back and forth, no power, and power, no power, and power, no power. Does not feel good at all. Sorry for the light, it's probably way too bright. My mom said she was coming to stop signs that died on her. Yeah, it's just shaking really hard. I know you can't see it, but it's like... Maybe you can hear it. It's all really bad feeling. I can't quite... Like I said, it's stumbling really bad. And she said it wasn't shifting, so I'm assuming transmission oil pump, perhaps. Unless it's like something on top of what was already happening with the transmission that's making it feel this way and sound this way. I don't know how well you can hear it on video. Probably not with me blabbing. Ooh-wee. Jesus. That's crazy. So far, for me, it hasn't died while stopped. Or well. I wonder if it could also potentially be the subframe rusted apart. I do not know. I'll look when I get this part in a second. Oh, little kitty cat. Yeah, this feels really awful. Well, yeah, let's... Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Let me get this part. It's definitely misfiring. Sorry if that was loud on the ears. Let me see if I can see shaking of the engine. Oh, shit. Shaking a little bit, so misfiring, not shifting right. So either two separate problems or an issue that would affect both of them, perhaps computer, I don't know. But this thing's probably junk. On top of the already existing transmission issues it was starting to have. By the way, it had new hubcaps put on it. But those are probably going to have to be taken off. Put on something else, and brand new tires probably going to go on my Mercury. Because I need tires. But anyway. It's popping a second ago. There we go. man. The lights went real dim on it, surging. I revved it up a little bit ago, but yeah, it's just... Wow, electrical, low fuel it says here. Maybe it's low on fuel. I'll shut it off now though. That's crazy.